Hey everyone, how's everybody doing today? It's Thursday morning, 10:30 a.m. and I wasn't really going to do this video right this second because I don't really feel up to it, but I feel as if it is important enough to do this video. And first off, I'd like to thank you guys, my subscribers, my viewers, for giving me the hit on purchasing something. I was looking for something and I couldn't find it, and you guys directed me right in the right spot. And that's for this piece here. I was looking for the smooth white bone Zippo Trapper, and I only was looking on Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and I wasn't even thinking clearly, and I didn't even think of Shepherd Hills Cutlery. Plug for Shepherd Hills Cutlery. I always, for some reason, I always forget about Shepherd Hills Cutlery. If you guys are looking for case knives or any other kind of knives in that matter, look at Shepherd Hills Cutlery. They really have some fantastic pieces, unique pieces that you can't find. Just a little niche. It's kind of like a little niche website. And now that I've got it stuck in my head, any other time I'm looking for a piece of cutlery, especially case, they specialize in case knives. And I heard through the grapevine also that you also do get better pieces. They inspect them. Now, I don't know how true that is, but there are a couple people that said that they inspect their knives before they ship them out. Now, I believe that. Now, I'm not saying nothing, but I do believe that. It is a smaller company, and I believe that they inspect the knife before they ship it out. So, again, Shepherd Hills Cutlery is where you want to be as far as if you're getting into these traditional knives and you want a case knife especially. So, after saying all that, 2 minutes into this video, right? Again, I got the last part of the equation here, guys, okay? I had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of the 5 Zippo trappers. And, well, gosh darn it, I had to complete it with this smooth white bone one. Now, I'm going to touch on a couple of things. This may be a lengthy video. I don't know. These two end pieces here, don't even look at them right now. They are my Boker trappers. They're just here because I've got all my trappers out, my single-bladed trappers, and that's what it is. But what I'm going to say is, these are the most fantastic knives that I acquired in 2021. They launched the Zippo case trappers. And they have been the most fantastic things that I've got my hands on in quite some time. Now, some may say I'm passionate and I get into my videos and this, that, and the other, and I'm over the top with it. You know what I mean? That's because I want people to get the good stuff. I want people to see and to experience the good stuff. And when people are not I don't want to say listening to me. That's the wrong word to say. I'm just saying when people are not, a lot of people aren't buying these. I haven't seen one video. I haven't seen a single video out on the Zippo case single bladed trappers. And they are by far, probably my best purchase, one of my best purchases of 2021. They are outstanding. They are dynamite. Not only if you just want to pick up one or if you want to pick up two of them. I did the whole set because, well, to me, in my opinion, it is a no-brainer. These pieces are not only fantastic, great pieces of cutlery, they are also very, very, very affordable. And there is zero reason why anyone in their right minds wouldn't want to acquire a set like this, especially if you are into the traditional scene. They're $45 and $50 knives, guys. I don't know what to say. I mean, I don't know how else to say it. I haven't seen a single video out on these guys here. Not one video have I seen. Not only have I not seen a video on these knives here, I have not seen one person talk about these Zippo Trapper knives at all. Nothing. Nothing. Crickets. Pure crickets. The only thing I've heard was crickets. And I can't quite figure out why. I cannot quite figure out why. It's mind-boggling to me. It is. I mean, I don't know. I can't explain it. Again, for the money that you're paying, for these beautiful single-bladed trappers, okay? There isn't a single soul that was head over heels over these like I am. Nobody has commented one time and said, oh my God, they're fantastic. You're right. I got a couple of them, or I want to grab a couple of them. Nothing. Not one thing. Now, am I missing something? Am I missing something here? I think I'm missing it. I think, honestly, I'm missing something because it can't be everybody, right? It can't be everybody. What's everybody not buying them because they think the fit and finish is going to be jacked up on them? Is that why is that why you aren't getting them? Because you think that it's a case knife? You're staying away from them because the fit and finish is going to be messed up? I don't know. But the bottom line here is, what I'm trying to say is, in 2021, period, end of the story. I'm not going to keep dwelling on it. These are some of the most fantastic knives that I picked up last year for the money. For the money. Even if they were more, guys, if these were more, let me say something. If these were $65, $70 a pop, $65, $70 a pop, I'd hop on them without even flinching an eye, without even batting an eye. 65 and 70, I'd pay up. They are that good of knives, man. And not only are they that good, you're getting a double bubble. You're getting something special here, man. You're getting that Zippo inlay. Do you know what that little Zippo inlay represents right there, ladies and gentlemen? That has significant meaning. That has significant meaning behind it. You're getting that beautiful case knife here, and you got the collaboration with Zippo lighters. You're getting the double bubble. Fit and finish is just, now speak honestly, right? I'm speaking honestly. Fit and finish is typical case quality. You're going to have some gapping in the back, right? There's a little gap right there. There's a little something going on back there, right? This knife was $44. Are you going to worry about that right there? Go ahead. What? That little gap right there? $44. 44. This is some of the best cutlery that I've handled in a while. I'm telling you. I'm telling you the truth. It's a beautiful little set to acquire. It is a fantastic little set to acquire. I don't know what else to say. Years to come, not years to come. These are things that's going to be fantastic years to come. These are the things that you want to, these are the pieces that you want, guys. I'm telling you. And not one single person has mentioned one thing about these Zippo Trapper knives. Not one person. I can't figure out why. I'm just besides myself because I know what I'm looking at. I know what I'm talking about. I've been in this hobby over 25 years. I know what's going on. But yet, people are missing the boat on them. They're not interested in them. I don't know why, guys. Anyway, I'm just, that was just a little, I just can't figure it out. Look at this beautiful, smooth white bone. Isn't it beautiful? This thing is just, the snap on it, the lock up on it, everything is just fantastic on it, right? Look at it. Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. You're getting a lot of blade there, man. You're getting a lot of knife for $44. I spent $44 on this one at, here. It was originally $56. Marked down to $44.99. $44.99. At Shepherd Hills Cutlery. You see it right there. You see it with your own eyes, ladies and gentlemen. You don't think that piece is worth 44 bucks? That's silly. That is absolutely silly. I love it. I love it. Hey, man, I love my modern knives too, guys. I could get down with the best of the modern pieces as well. But you're talking 44 bucks for this traditional long clip trapper? What, real bone? Look at the bone. Look at this beautiful bone. The inlay on it, Zippo. Look at that beautiful inlay. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Help me out here. Help me out here. What am I missing? Tell me what I'm missing. I'll go outside and throw this whole set in the street. I'll go outside and throw every one of these knives and I'll film it in the street right now. Tell me what I'm missing. Tell me what I'm missing. These are fantastic, fantastic pieces of cutlery. These are the most fantastic pieces I've picked up in 2021. Absolutely. Hands down, ladies and gentlemen. No doubt. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm going down the wrong road, right? Maybe I'm throwing all my money out the window. Years to come, all this stuff is going to be a waste. A complete waste of money. Maybe I should have bought every gosh darn Civivi and Wee knife on the planet. Maybe I should have bought all the Civivis, all the Wee knives. Right? All them budget blades. I should have hopped on the train. I should have hopped on that bandwagon. But I didn't. You want to know why? Because my heart said no. Because my heart said no. That's why. No, no, no to the budget knives. I got a ton of them in there. Yeah, they're good, playful little knives, you know. They're good little beaters, you know. They're good to throw on the hip, you know, throw in your pocket and run around with. But these are where you want to be. You want to be into the traditional game, ladies and gentlemen. That's where it's at. The traditional scene is where it's at. Absolutely. No doubt. Ladies and gentlemen, have a fantastic day. Be good, be well, be safe. And thank you guys for giving me the plug on Shepherd Hills Cutlery on getting this last piece for my collection of trappers. Zippo trappers. I appreciate it. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys. Take care. Be good, be well, be safe. Have a good one. Be good, guys.